Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I want to share something that honestly changed my entire perspective on making money online. About 8 months ago, I was in this position where I was working my regular job, trying to figure out how to create some extra income, and everywhere I looked, people were talking about AI this, AI that. But here's the problem. Every time I'd click on one of those videos or articles, it was all this super technical stuff about coding, machine learning models, and APIs, and I'd just get completely overwhelmed and click away. I'm not a programmer. I didn't go to school for computer science, and I just wanted something I could actually do without spending 6 months learning Python or whatever. But then I had this realization. AI tools have gotten so user-friendly now that you don't need to be technical at all to use them. These are literally point-and-click tools that anyone can figure out. So I decided to experiment and see if I could actually build real income streams using AI without writing a single line of code. And I'm not going to lie, I was skeptical at first. But fast forward to today, and I've got 5 different income streams that are generating money while I'm literally sleeping, hanging out with friends, or working my day job. And the best part, everything I'm about to share with you requires zero coding knowledge. Let me walk you through exactly what I built and how you can do the same thing. The first income stream I created was AI-generated content for stock websites. Now, I'm not talking about writing articles or blog posts. I'm talking about creating digital art, illustrations, and graphics using AI image generators like Midjourney, DALL-E, or even the free versions of these tools. Here's how it works. You type in creative prompts. The AI generates these incredible images, and then you upload them to stock photography websites like Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, or Creative Market. Every time someone downloads your image, you get paid a royalty. The beautiful thing is that once you upload these images, they just sit there earning money passively. I spent maybe 2 weeks really focusing on this, uploaded about 200 images, and now I'm making around $300 to $500 a month from it. It's not life-changing money, but it's completely passive, and it required absolutely no artistic skill on my part. The second income stream is something that really surprised me with how well it worked. I started creating AI-powered social media content calendars and caption templates that I sell on Etsy and Gumroad. Think about it, every small business owner, every content creator, every coach and consultant out there is struggling to come up with consistent social media content. So I use AI tools like ChatGPT to generate month-long content calendars with post ideas, captions, and hashtag suggestions for specific niches. Maybe it's a content calendar for real estate agents or fitness coaches or wedding planners. I package these up as downloadable PDFs or editable templates, price them at anywhere from $15 to $50, and people buy them constantly. The genius here is that I create one template and sell it unlimited times. Once it's made, it's just sitting there generating sales. I'm averaging about $800 to $1,200 a month from this, and I probably spend maybe 2 hours a week creating new templates for different niches. Now, the third income stream is where things get really interesting. I discovered this whole world of AI-generated children's books on Amazon. Stay with me on this because I know it sounds weird, but parents are constantly buying activity books, coloring books, and educational workbooks for their kids. Using AI tools, I can generate the content and illustrations for these books in a matter of hours. For example, I created a dinosaur coloring book where AI generated all the dinosaur illustrations, formatted it properly, and then published it on Amazon KDP, which is their print-on-demand service. Every time someone orders the book, Amazon prints it and ships it, and I get a royalty. I don't touch inventory, I don't handle shipping, nothing. I've published about 12 books now, and they're bringing in around $400 to $700 a month combined. Some months are better than others depending on what's trending, but it's all completely automated once the book is live. The fourth income stream is probably my favorite because it feels the most valuable to people. I created an AI-powered newsletter that solves a specific problem for a specific audience. I chose personal finance tips for millennials because it's something I'm interested in and there's a huge audience for it. Here's my process. I use AI to help research trending finance topics, summarize complex financial news into easy-to-understand insights, and create actionable tips. I spend maybe an hour a week guiding the AI and editing the final newsletter, then I send it out to my subscribers. I monetize this through affiliate links for financial products, sponsored sections from companies, and even a small premium tier where people pay $5 a month for extra content. I started with 0 subscribers 8 months ago. I'm now at about 3,000 subscribers, and this brings in roughly $600 to $1,000 a month. The best part is watching this grow organically because when you provide real value, people share it. The fifth and final income stream is something I stumbled into almost by accident. I create AI-generated courses and tutorials that I sell on platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable. Now, before you think you need to be an expert in something, hear me out. I'm not creating super advanced technical courses. I'm creating beginner-friendly courses on topics that people want to learn, and I use AI to help me structure the curriculum, write the scripts, and even generate slide presentations. For example, I made a course on time management for remote workers, another on basic photo editing for social media, and one on starting a small online business. AI helps me research the topics, organize the information in a logical way, and create professional-looking course materials. Once the course is uploaded, it just sits there selling. Udemy and Skillshare handle all the marketing and payments. I'm making about $500 to $900 a month from my 5 courses combined, and I haven't touched them in months. So let's add this all up. Between stock content, social media templates, books, my newsletter, and online courses, I'm generating somewhere between $2,600 to $4,300 per month in relatively passive income. And this all happened in less than a year, working on this stuff in the evenings and on weekends around my regular job. The total amount I spent to get started was maybe $100 for some premium AI tools and platform fees, and that's it. Here's what I want you to understand. AI isn't just for tech companies and programmers anymore. These tools have democratized the ability to create and monetize content in ways that weren't possible just a couple of years ago. The 28% increase in AI-powered side hustles we're seeing isn't because more people are learning to code. It's because regular people like you and me are figuring out how to use these accessible tools to build real income streams. You don't need to understand how the AI works behind the scenes. You just need to know how to use it effectively and apply it to solving real problems or creating real value for people. If I can do this with 0 technical background, honestly, anyone can.